Hello, and thank you for tuning in to our video on this amazing home in one of San Jose's finest neighborhoods. Hi, Jeff Spedding here, Sped Realty, your home real estate pro. Please view this video till the end, where I will share with you some guaranteed promises that will delight and amaze you. See you in a few moments. Imagine yourself living in the Pinehurst neighborhood, one of the most highly sought-after neighborhoods in San Jose's Blossom Valley. This gorgeous 5-bedroom, 2.5-bath, 2,112 square foot home will delight anyone. It's centrally located near shopping, entertainment, dining out, many other attractions, and is close to all major freeways. This Pinehurst beauty is move-in ready, with nothing to do but add your own personal touches. The updated kitchen with walk-in pantry is perfect for the chef of the day. Upstairs is the master bedroom and 3 additional bedrooms, one with beautiful custom cabinets, lots of closet space, and another with a row of cabinets that will fill many needs. On the ground floor, there's 1-bedroom office and a half bath, perfect for today's work-at-home lifestyle. When you enter the home from the covered porch, you land on a fabulously done stone floor. Off to the immediate left is the living room with hardwood floors, crown molding, plantation shutters, and a warm, cozy fireplace. The elegant formal dining room right off the kitchen makes entertaining easy. Just off the other end of the kitchen is a relaxing family room where you can rest and relax after a hard day's work. An indoor laundry with plenty of cabinet space, a work table that makes this domestic chore so much easier and convenient. From the family room is access to a magnificent backyard with mature trees that creates a huge canopy of shade for the summer. There's also a wood deck and a hot tub for your pleasure. This home has great curb appeal, which you'll be proud to come home to. With quality hardscape featuring inlaid brick and bullnose steps, there's a neighborhood cabana club with a pool, barbecue area, and swim team. The club is available to you for a very reasonable annual fee if you choose to join. You can't beat living in this friendly Pinehurst neighborhood. If you're looking for an awesome home for your family in a really friendly neighborhood, look no further. You're almost home. Hello again. Wasn't that an amazing home? If you'd like more information on this home, you can give us a call at 408-221-1106 or visit us on the web at yourhomerealestatepro.com. If you'd like a list of homes that you won't find on the web, or anywhere for that matter, again, give me a call, 408-221-1106, or visit me on the web, and we'll be happy to get that out to you. This home will be hold open Sunday, July 18th from noon to 1. Just 1 hour. Come on down and take a look at this home if you're interested. We'll be happy to see you and give you information that you won't find anywhere else.